Morning everybody, my name's Brandon, carpenter instructor. Today we're going to go over building a steel stud box header for interior walls. A box header is made to support the weight of any type of framing that's above your window, door, or anything like that. First thing you need to do is measure the rough opening. Our rough opening is 36 inches. I've pre-cut all my studs already. To cut your studs for your box header, you add 4 inches to the rough opening dimension. You add 4 inches. When you pull your tape out, you mark 2 inches. Our rough opening is 36 inches, so I would mark 38 inches. And then 40, cut my studs at 40. Your track is going to cap the bottom of your studs, like so, and then this is going to set on top of your studs for all your studs to set on to support that weight. Since all of mine are pre-marked at 2 inches and 38 inches, I'm going to go ahead and cut the flanges off of these studs. To do that, take your tin snips, go ahead and cut those flanges off. Creating these flanges like so. Once you install your box header, you'll screw through your flange into your king studs that's going to run up your opening. Notice that I'm wearing gloves. This stuff can be very, very sharp. You're going to want to wear gloves when you're cutting it. Also, safety glasses. Sometimes these things snap and pop at you. You don't want one of these in your eye. Your studs cut, take your track, set your stud inside your track so that the open sides are facing each other. Best way to get this tight is to take your clamp and clamp it right in the corner of your stud to the corner of your track. That's going to pull it down and over where it needs to be at the same time. Take some wafer head, pan head screws. Screw the track to those studs. piece is set. Put your top piece on, lining it up with the hard side or the web of your stud. Run screws down into your track. That's it for your box setter. Now you're ready to install it. We've already measured 6 feet above finished floor for the elevation of our box setter. I've already set up my laser. The easiest way to do this, one side in, up high, the other side down low. Adjust your box setter to the elevation. Throw your clamps on. Take 2 panhead screws per side. Make sure it's level both sides. Again, 2 screws per side. That's the basic installation of your box setter. Now you're ready to put your cripples in above it. I already have it laid out on the top track, so I'll just transfer my layout to my box setter. I'm measuring from my king studs. take your cripple studs, which is what your box header is going to support. Put those on your layout. And screw them in. And that's your basic installation of a box header and the cripples. Make sure you use your laser. Set that box header exactly perfect to that laser. And that's it. Thanks. And you guys can go ahead and start on yours.